Hello, welcome to Spy Money. We have a total of $1,300 today, and I thought I had my P&L set higher. I wanted 2,100, but for some reason I had my P&L set at 1,400, and it shut off. I'm sorry, 1,300, and it shut off at the 1,300. So I missed a little bit, but I turned it on this morning around 5:30 or 6 o'clock, something like that. And we had our first winner here. We did have a loser here, a winner, and a winner, and it shut off based on the max gain per session. So it's still $1,300 in a day is pretty good. I run 4 contracts today. I almost shut it off earlier, and I didn't do it. And this one right here, I wasn't watching when it entered the trade, and we ended up having a loser. I would have pulled the trigger on this a little bit sooner than the max, but anyway, it is what it is. We had a loss there. 2 winners. It's doing pretty good. I have not had a losing day using the settings that we're using on this in weeks. It's been a long time, about a month, I guess. And it's doing very well. The people in the Discord group are actually doing very well in the group, making plenty of money. And not everybody will post, but I will show you this right here. We've had some winners in here. This one right here was $1,000. This one is $2,755, $2,145. This one here was $830. That was mine. This one here $613 and $2,240, and that just keeps on going. So the users are doing very well. A lot of people will tell us they did well, but they won't post the profits. A lot of people don't want people to know how much money they make, but everybody's doing very well. The template is very simple. You load this coaster bot. You load the September 10th settings that I posted. I've run those settings for quite a while, but I posted them for everybody else. And you load the template, and you set the number of contracts you want, and you turn it on, and you wait for the trades. And it does pretty good. Hit your goals, shut it off, and that's what you need to do. Like right here, we had a goal. I wanted more. I could have got more here, but $1,300 is $1,300. It's still a good day. As far as any other trades, I can go through here a little bit. Right there would have been a winner. And let's see here. Right here would have been a winner. And it says 2 more winners. Let's see here. That would not have been... There's 3 winners. No losers yet. And 4 winners. This right here would have been a loser. So it's 4 winners, 1 loser. You would already hit your goal, by the way. And let's see here. None of those would have entered. None of these. That one would not have. Let's see here. Go through there a little bit more. There's a lot of trades that would have filtered out. All this chopping here, it would not have entered. It would have entered this one right here. So that makes 5 winners, 1 loser. I think it was 5. Lost count. But this right here would have been a winner. Nothing there. 6 winners, 1 loser. Kind of goes through. It is this one would have been a winner here. 7 winners and 1 loser. So there was a total of 2 losers since 6 o'clock this morning. And the winners are 7 more on top of how many we had, which is 1, 2, 3. So it's 10 winners, 1 loser. Very, very good bot. It does very well. It filters out a lot of trades, a lot of good trades too. Like this one right here, it would have filtered out, but that was a good short, and this was a good short. It did take this one. So you can manually enter these trades if you want. So if you see something that's needing to enter, you can do so using the manual long or the manual short, and then the bot will take over. So how do you get started on this? Easiest way is to go to spymoneyllc.com, click up here where it says the Ninja Suite. That's right up here. So you click on that and get it going. My mouse wasn't clicking on it. There's a little video that explains a little bit about what the Ninja Suite is. And one thing about it, auto trading bots are not set it and leave it systems. You should never turn a bot on and walk away. You should always monitor the bot. So a good person is someone worse in an office. They can just have it running in the background, and when they hear it go into trade, pull it up and watch it, manage it, and make sure what you're doing. Here's some different videos with bots doing very well. I don't have any videos of our new settings. I'll probably make one of those this week. And if you want to get started with it, there's something you got to do. You can watch this video and it explains what I'm about ready to show you. But there are 14 things here. You need to agree to that. If you do not agree to this, don't send me the email. But if you do agree to these, the number one is spy bot trading bots are not set it and leave it bots. You can't turn this on, go to work, and come back and be a millionaire. It just don't work that way. And yet there's rules that you got to follow. And the rules are pretty simple, just following levels and stuff. They're very, very simple. And hit your goal and you stop. A lot of people want to hear back testing results and stuff. That's not the way our bots work. I can't back test it for months, years, or whatever. You can't do it the way we use the bot. So if you send me an email with that, I'm just going to explain that we can't do that. The bots work. They make money daily. I personally have not had a losing day on using the bots in almost a month, and I run it almost every day. There's a couple of days I didn't run it, traveling or whatever, but they do very well. If you agree to these 14 items, you just go right up here to I agree, and you copy it all the way down to here. And then you go ahead and right click, and then you go to the top. Go to the Contact Us button at the top up here. Contact Us. You're going to put your first name, last name, your email, your phone number. You're going to right click and click paste. If you don't send this entire binding contract, I will not send you a link to join. You click submit. Once I get that, then I will send you a link if we still have room available. We're getting close to not having room available, so if you're interested, you need to do so. Once I get X amount of people, then I will not leave the lease open. It's going to be shut off soon. We've got a good bunch of people in there, and we like to keep it small, and we don't like the drama. We don't tolerate any of that, so if someone is not a good fit for us, we don't let them in. But that's how you get started. Go to the Ninja Suite, and you go down here. A lot of people ask me, how much is it?
Having trouble with your trades? Try the Ninja Suite.
If you come down here, right in the rules, it says how much it is. $1,600 every 30 days. There is no free trials, none of that, no refunds. I don't know why you'd want one, but it works, and you get started. If you know how to use NinjaTrader, you can get started on this in no time. Just a couple hours time you get everything installed and turn on the bot. It's pretty simple. We have a lot of different indicators that come with it. Drawing tools. We do no longer have a trade copier. It's something we discontinued. We couldn't keep up with it. And here's a bunch of questions that you may have. If you read through this, more than likely all your questions will be answered. And if not, send me an email or a contact at the top of the page, and I will answer them best I can. So take another look at this. Again, this was the bot shut itself off once it hit the max session, and it shut off at $1,300. So $1,294.84 with commissions. But if you have any questions or anything, let me know. Again, this is not going to be open forever. So if you're interested, you probably ought to act fast. As soon as I shut the lease off, it's gone. No begging. I don't add a waiting list or anything. Last time I shut it off, December 15th of 23. And I'm probably going to shut it off sooner this year. and I'm not sure exactly when, but I will probably just post that it's closed. So if you're interested, get started, get in it, start trading with it, and learn how to use it, and all should be good. Have a great day. I hope to see you in the Discord.